Today I'm going to talk about the importance of a professional digital presence. I'm Leesa Csolak, and I'm an expert international career consultant specializing in the performing arts with clients all over the US and the world. And I've helped countless performers, including my own children, navigate their careers in this competitive industry. Today I want to talk to you about something that's more important than ever, your digital presence. Many people don't really pay attention to it, don't really care. I think it matters. In today's digital age, your online presence is often the first impression you make on casting directors, agents, and other industry pros. Unfortunately, many performers overlook this aspect of their careers, which can be a critical mistake. Your social media profiles, website, and even the emails you send should all reflect your professionalism and your dedication to the craft. One common pitfall is having inconsistent or outdated information online. And you want to make sure your headshots, your resumes, and all your videos are up to date and easily accessible. Another mistake is posting unprofessional content on social media. That goes without saying. Remember, once that something is online, it's out there for everyone to see, including potential employers. So keep your profiles clean, professional, and focused on your career goals. If you're unsure about how to create a professional digital presence, don't worry, I can help you. Visit lbctalent.com to explore my online courses and how-to videos where I can walk you through the steps to make sure your online presence supports rather than hinders your career. Let's make sure you're putting your best foot forward. And remember, mentors can make all the difference. If you're liking my content, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications. And I'll see you in the next video.